Tsamani bafethu la ku TikTok ngihlangane ngevideo nje la bebuza khona intombi ka-MT uNandi ukuthi bahlangane kanjani. So ugirl the way ibuya ngakhona uyayibeka uyayichaza ukuthi bahlangane kanjani yabo.
This is Nandi Natane and I'm here chilling with.
What's up, everybody? This is MT the Hustler, and this is the Link Up.
Hi, babe.
What's up?
I'm good, you?
I'm good.
So we here.
Yeah.
But I'm so curious, like, how a relationship like that even begins.
Our story is very cute because because it was so confusing but cute at the same time. Yeah. So I had done the song Booyah, right? So my song needed a verse. So I was like, the way I'm so vulnerable in the song, I need like an honest verse. I'm like, then my manager was like, hey, I know Hustler.
Who's the realist?
So Hustler will kill this verse. Yeah. So Hustler comes to the studio. Then he didn't record that day. Simbizo the second time. Yeah. Then he comes up with an excuse also that day to not record, but he spends a bit of time in the studio. He comes for the third time. For the third time, he comes
for the third time. For the third time.
That day, luckily, I recorded. But as he records, like everyone in the studio, then it was just me and him recording. And so I'm like,
when is the point when your manager warns you about him?
No, my manager didn't want.
Let's not make it too long, please.
And then there was a third time, fourth time,
yeah,
where now he invited me to his studio. And then fine, he took me out on a date.
But what I've realized, abantu abaningi they always like bagxeka indlela omunye umuntu ahlangane naye nomunye umuntu, you understand? They don't understand uthanda lukho njalo phela. Awuthi wonke umuntu useshili like wonke umuntu ahlangana naye yashela. Umuntu kumele umfunde kuqala. Yabo. And I love the fact ukuthi MT always respects his name. Yabo. Because you realize ukuthi since emkhulu abantu besifazane like ba-act kanjani. Yayibona into le. But abantu they will never see that. Because banormal so abakaze badlula ku state like webhamela ushele ungumuntu omkhulu. Yabo, umuntu omkhulu phela akasheli normal njengomntana or njengomuntu omncane or njengomuntu normal. Normal like wena mawushela nje ushela normal because there's no one like ubhekile ukuthi hey ubani ushela abantu. Yabo. And I'm proud of the way MT move ngakhona ichoza ngakhona intombi. Yabo, even though ngibona unotha lapho zama la ukukhuluma ukuthi hayi awuthe njalo vele mayisisitulo ushela amantombazana. Just because of that scandal savela lesiya sala ntombazana yakhe athi MT meyemshela or MT wayemfuna something which like weqamba amanga nayo girl. Because we know ukuthi wayethengisa nje yena ayibona into leyo. So ezinye izinto guys like it's very important ukuthi ungazibheki ngelihlo abanye abantu abazibheka ngalo. And indlela umuntu ahlangana naye nomunye umuntu bahlangana indlela ezahlukile. Angeke uhlize nihlangana ngendlela ezifana just because wena wahlala intombi yakho maybe estradini wayilanda wayishela then uthi it's a dope way yokushela intombi kuwe just because uyilande ngalandlela wena in that moment. Isikhathi sakuvumela kanje MT yasomuntu onjalo. Naye azathola intombi uyithole through ingoma umuntu okuzorecord ingoma make efika wabona intombi yena. Yabo. And it take him time. It take his time ukuthi makashele ngendlela yakhe naye. And then washela. You understand? And most of the time you guys don't understand ukuthi ukushela intombi is not like ukuthi ndiyakuthanda. Kuphela lapho. Before uzoshela umuntu, kumele wazi background yakhe little bit. Unomuntu uyabo phila kanjani? Umuntu onjani lo? Yabo? Ovela usuthi uyamthanda nje, umthanda umazelaphi? Yayibona lonto. Bazokutshela ke laba bazanze bafundile first love and the first sight. Ayikho leyo nto. Just nje ama feeling lawo ashukumile but asothando. Uthando luyabuildeka along the way. Yayibona lonto. So I'm really proud of the relationship ka MT nentombi yakhe. But I don't like the way abantu bathi swag the way behlangane ngakhona. It doesn't matter ukuthi bahlangane njani. What is important is their relationship. You understand? Is their relationship. That is very important. And abanye abantu just because ama relationship abawasebenzanga the way bahlangana ngakhona abangafaka ama insecurities wabo kuma relationship abanye abantu. Bye. VKS is out.